What is up, YouTube? My name is Oscar. Welcome to the 5X Coaching Academy, where I teach you all things make money online and remote work from home jobs. So in today's video, I'm going to show you 3 amazing work from home jobs that are hiring right now. So if you're looking for a way to make money online legitly and work for a nice company, then you gotta watch this video all the way through. And if you stick with me until the very end, I'm going to show you a bonus way to make money and actually start your own online business on the side while you work remotely online. So for the very first company is Podaya. Okay, Podaya is a software creating company. So they basically help people create online courses. Okay, so they're looking for a full-time customer support anywhere, 100% remote only. And if you look on their Glassdoor, they're based out in New York and they have pretty good reviews from their company, okay, from 4 to 5-star ratings. And we're going to look at that later on in this video. Okay, so right here, 5-star ratings. Okay, so what are they looking for? They're hiring 2 shifts during East Coast business hours. Both shifts include weekends, Saturday through Wednesday, Thursday through Monday. So at Podaya, they're building the most creator-friendly platform on the planet. I actually used it before in the past to sell online courses, and they help people sell online courses, memberships, digital downloads, and they are the number one reason because they're super cheap, okay, and they're pretty awesome at what they do, okay. So you're going to be providing fast, friendly live chat support, free migrations, things of that nature. So you're going to respond to creator tickets via chat and email. So basically, whenever someone has questions on the website, they're just going to chat on the actual platform, and you're going to be there and answering those questions, okay? That is your number one priority as a customer support agent, okay? They've got a reputation to protect because their customer support is actually insanely good, okay? You're going to help migrate creators, downloading, uploading content, setting up courses, who needs help switching from other platforms. They're going to teach you everything you need to know. You're going to help troubleshoot product issues, reproduce them for their dev team when necessary, and keep track of that status in Basecamp. So whenever there's any glitches, you're there to help them out. Answer any and all creator questions about their products, as well as coach them towards making their very first sale so they actually stick with the company. And keep your fingers on the computer base and help their team understand what the creators are thinking and asking for. So what are they looking for? Well, they're looking for support agents with really good writing skills who can rewrite this bullet to make it sound even better. So a little bit of copywriting skills is needed. You might need some tech skills and comfort troubleshooting anything their creators throw their way. So ideally, you work for an SaaS company, so a software company, and can take screenshots and record videos for customers like a boss. So you could search up on YouTube on how to create videos really easily. If you have had any support experience, you know what it takes to make a customer happy than they were before they met you. It'd be really great if you also have created and or sold online courses. I've done that in the past, actually. Digital download or memberships before. Have experience with Intercom and Slack because that's how they're going to be communicating with each other. Have experience working remotely and access to a stable internet connection, and have worked with digital creators before. Here's what you get when you join the company. Extreme autonomy. So if you don't like people hovering over you, no micromanaging is for this company, which is why they got 5-star reviews. They're going to teach you everything you need to know to troubleshoot, and you're going to be guiding the customer on your own, basically. So if you don't want a boss teaching you and telling you everything you need to know, then this is the company for you. The rest of the team is always there to help you out. They have competitive compensation and equity in a rapidly growing company. If you want to become the next millionaire and actually want to invest in this company, then I feel like they are going to be the next big thing, like Teachable. They want to have the best people, and they're ready to pay them. They say at the 90 percentile rate, okay, regardless of the role, anywhere around the world. So you could be in India and you could do a customer support, and they'll pay you $30 an hour. It doesn't matter where you are, okay? 401k, health insurance, other medical benefits. Work from anywhere with a stable internet connection, and they are a very rapidly growing company that's helping creators all over the world. Okay, so about the hiring process, they're going to review your application, and for the first 2 weeks, and then they're going to send you an email for a test project within 72 hours. They're going to ask you to do a 1 help center doc, 3 mock email questions, and a mock live chat session to see how you actually talk to the customers. If they select you during the stage, It's gonna last. You're gonna go through a Zoom meeting with the director of support or one of their managers and actually talk to one of the heads in this company. The last interview will be with Spencer, their CEO, who can answer any types of questions. So they really want the best. You're going to get a ton of support from this company. And then you're going to do a 10-minute call. It seems like a lot, but if you want the top pay, the top 90% pay, then this is the company you want to work for. If you want to look at the reviews right here, 5-star ratings, 5-star ratings, 5-star ratings, and it's still a very new company, okay? Look at this, June 10th, 2020. That was last year. That's very new. Podia is a workplace where I feel like I'm consistently set up to thrive. The entire team is supportive and kind. They are trusted to do your work, okay? They've been working Podia for full-time for more than a year. You get to work with wildly creative, intelligent people in a collaborative environment. There are no micromanagers. You own your work for better or for worse. And you get generous vacation and paid sick time. If you want to work for this company, you could go to We Work Remotely and apply for this position actually. And it's going to take you here. You're going to go through your personal information, profile, the details where you're located, any types of LinkedIn profile, and things of that nature, and actually submit your application. Next up, we got Lemon Pie, and they're looking for a talent relation associate. So they're looking for a full-time North America only. So I'm sorry if you live in any other country. And yeah. So if you love the idea of working with David instead of Goliath and want to show up to a supportive team and work you're genuinely excited about day in and day out, you are in the right place. Want to tie yourself to a company who operates in a bold and unique way with leaders who don't micromanage, same thing as Podia, then this is the company for you. So they're looking for a talent relations associate position is a full-time role with a mission to support their clients by providing world-class services and ensuring their goals for them are not only met but exceed all expectations. So you're going to be their podcast PR rep throughout their engagement. So some of these duties include pitching, crafting personal and compelling email, video, and social media pitches to podcast hosts in order to obtain guest appearance for their clients on their show. You're going to be prospecting. You're going to conduct show research to find the perfect podcast for each client's expertise and goals, basically to promote these people. You're going to be creating custom client reports that recap the work that you've done together and creating custom onboarding materials for new clients. A day in the life. So imagine for a moment that you wake up in the morning and you're not mad about it because this is what you're made of. Your commute is 45 seconds. You just wake up and hop on your computer. From there, you might find yourself listening to another kickoff music, listening to the CEO about the latest, greatest startup. Maybe you have a one-on-one conversation with their team leadership and participate and chat and chill. Next up, you're reworking to pitch so that your client actually shines, okay? So you're just going to be working with the team and they're going to set you up on your way. Here's how you know if you're going to be great fit. You got to take pride in creating killer personalized pitches. If you can think outside of the box, have a freakish ability to communicate virtually, not only by speech or for written word as well. If you crave improvement, if you are a team player, if you can speak up and you say what you're thinking and objective with your feedback and take 100% accountability for wins or losses. Okay, so they're basically helping people in the podcast niche. So what can you make out of this? Okay, perks and benefits. They work really hard to make people working at Lemon Pie an amazing experience. They have a full team of exceptional people that you'll be excited to work with. You get unlimited paid vacation. You're going to get flexible hours. And you're going to make a monthly remote stipend. So for some, working remotely means a lot of coffee shops, co-working space. And so they're going to be providing you an extra $100 per month for whatever you need, okay? If you are excited and are willing to work for this company, click this apply for this position button right here, and you're going to set up your personal information, profile, details like what makes you interested in working for Lemon Pie, things of that nature, and click submit application. There you go. I would show you guys the other videos. I'm going to make another video separate for that. That is it for today's video. This video is almost 10 minutes long. Okay, so this is it. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe. I'll see you next time.